Curtain wall performance. Every facade tells a story, but before it becomes part of a landmark building, it must first prove a performance under most demanding conditions. Welcome to the Curtain Wall Performance Testing Laboratory, where full-scale facade systems are evaluated to verify their safety, durability, and long-term reliability. Unlike small material samples, performance testing is carried out on a complete mock-up that replicates the actual building facade, including aluminum framing, glazing, windows, doors, ceilings, gaskets, and all critical interfaces. The assembly is installed exactly as it would be on a project, allowing engineers to evaluate the system under realistic conditions. Each test follows internationally recognized standards and project-specific performance requirements. The process begins with detailed inspection to verify that the specimen has been installed correctly. Engineers check every connection, gasket, ceiling joint anchor, and glazing component before testing starts. Specialized laboratory equipment then simulates the environmental conditions that a building may experience throughout its service life. Air infiltration testing measures how effectively the facade limits uncontrolled air leakage. Water penetration testing evaluates the system's ability to prevent rainwater from entering the building, even under severe weather conditions. Structural performance testing subjects the curtain wall to positive and negative wind pressures, confirming that the framing and glass perform safely within the specified design limits. Movement testing simulates building reflection and inter-story drift, ensuring the facade can accommodate structural movement while maintaining integrity and weather resistance. Throughout every stage, hundreds of measurements are continuously monitored and recorded using advanced instrumentation, providing accurate and reliable performance data. Performance testing is far more than a laboratory exercise. It is a critical step in validating engineering design, verifying workmanship, minimizing project risk, and ensuring compliance with international standards. Only after successfully completing these rigorous evaluations can a curtain wall system demonstrate its readiness for installation on the building. Behind every successful facade is a commitment to quality, precision, and engineering excellence, long before the first panel is installed on site. The impact test is performed to verify that the curtain wall system can safely withstand unexpected impacts that may occur during the building's service life, such as accidental human contact, maintenance activities, or wind-borne objects. T.